Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to assign a static IP address on a Windows computer. So let's get started. First open the command prompt. You can press Windows plus R and type here CMD and then press enter. So now type the following command: ipconfig /all. So here you will see your current network information including your IP address for subnet mask, default gateway, and then DNS server. Okay, so we will use these details to configure a static IP address. So now open control panel. Click on this icon and type here control panel. Go to network and internet. Click on internet, network and sharing center, and then Wi-Fi, then properties, and double click on internet protocol version 4. So this is my current IP address 192.168.0 and then 200. So first three are same. 192.168.0 and then need to change the last one. So it's a 200. We can type here 150 and then subnet mask. It will be auto detected. Default gateway is 192.168.0 and 1. So type here 192.168.0 and then 1. So we will use Google DNS server, same as like here. So 8, 8, 8 and 8, and alternative DNS is 8, 8, 4 and 4. So 8, 8, 8 and 8. Alternative is 8, 8, 4 and 4. Now click OK, OK, and close. Now check it again. ipconfig /all. So this is my current IP address. Okay, now check it right now. Go to YouTube. Yes, it's working. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.